It's Thursday today. I'm blessing cars. The word of the Father doesn't go back. The prophet, when God speaks, he speaks things happen. 2026, I bless cars. Don't stay there. Don't stay there. Here's the prophet of the people. This year is a year of blessings. It's a year of blessings. It's going to happen.
All things are possible in God.
All things are possible in front of God. Here's a mother. To make it a strict make it strong for us. Make it strong for us.